Let's move on to the next topic in Unterrichtsverfahren, Visualisierung. This chapter has got the following subtopics in it. First one, Bedeutung und Rolle der Visualisierung bei der Wortschatzvermittlung, Visualisierung bei der Grammatikvermittlung, Visualisierung mit Hilfe von klassischen Unterrichtsmedien, zum Einsatz klassischen Unterrichtsmedien. We will see all these topics one by one. First up, Bedeutung und Rolle der Visualisierung bei der Wortschatzvermittlung. We define Visualisierung as follows. They are pictorial representation of objects, Begriffe, also different items, emotions and actions. The following are the goals of visualization. First one, pull the attention of the students towards the visual object. Vermitteln, exchange information via pictures. Make the information easy to understand. Help to save the information or store the information in the memory. Reduce the speaking portion of the teacher. Activate the forevision of the students and make them ready to take new information. These are all the goals of visualization with respect to Wortschatzvermittlung. The next topic in the book is a description about how information is processed in the brain. When a person sees a picture, then the brain activates the known knowledge which they have and then alerts the person. It connects the new information with the known information and thereby it creates a picture in the brain. This process is called as information processing. Now, during this process, there are other information in the brain like emotion, feelings, which are also connected to the new information. There are so many neurons which are activated simultaneously. So, for instance, there will be verbal neuron which are representing logical connections, pictures which are connecting emotions, and there are so many things which get activated which even the researchers don't know. All this basically help to store the information and then remember the new information in the brain so that it can be called back anytime you want. So that way, Visualisierung is very important when it comes to language, because it now connects the sprachlichen Mittel along with the pictures, and that way you can store the information. It also connects the sprachlichen and the pictorial information with the emotions. So that is why visualization is very important when you are learning the language. We now move on to the visualization by the Wortschatzvermittlung, the deeper points as to how it helps in learning new words. So while learning new words, it helps to convey the words in a very easy and simple manner. It could be a script, picture, object, anything. You can use gestic mimic to explain feelings. The teacher doesn't have to speak a lot. It stimulates emotion and thereby motivates the students. The language input and the visualization complement each other, and that way helps to store information. You must select the correct element for the correct word. That is very important while teaching new words. Also make sure that cultural differences are taken care of while teaching new words. Have a fun component in teaching the new words. Always have a lustige Illustration when you're teaching something too complex. So these are all the visual elements which needs to be taken care of while teaching new words.
With that, the chapter comes to an end. Please feel free to like, subscribe and comment to the channel. If you have any questions, then contact me via email or put down your comments and I'll be able to reply. Thank you.